Here's how I'm going to attach the tile to this wood surface over here. It's stained and has some kind of polyurethane on it. So I sanded it down, and now I'm going to put some 1/8 inch, they call it Mosaic backerboard, so I can keep it thin. And then what I'm going to do is glue the back like I did this one, and use stainless steel screws, because stainless steel screws so it won't eat away the screws. I'm going to use this liquid nails to glue it on. I mean, the screw should be enough, but I don't want the panel to come loose at all. So, and plus it's next to the oven there, so we want to get this on there as best as possible. Got it all glued on. Now just press it on and screw it on. And there you have it. I'm going to put some SCHLUTER trim on here.